Have you ever wondered why your mid back is always hurting? Do you sit at a desk consistently all the time and after work you're just like, man, I need to stretch everything out? Well, let me kind of explain why that is happening. Okay. Take a look at Gabby. Okay. You see the way that she is looking at her computer screens, but the computer screens here are kind of low. Now, these computer screens should actually be shifted up quite a bit, where Gabby is kind of looking at this level. Hey, Gabby, look at my face. You see that shift in her head, how she starts looking up and it brings her mid back up as well? This is actually where Gabby should be looking. But we can't do that in our clinic because we have to be able to see our patients. So go back to looking at the screens. You see how it shifts right back into that poor posture. Now, most people have the opportunity in order to actually lift up their screens. Unfortunately, we do not, but this is what I want you to do. The first biggest step of why you're actually having back pain is because your posture is horrible. It's because of your bad desk ergonomics, and that is one of the most important things in order to fix. Now, let me show you something else that you can do. It's actually seating position that people don't think about. Hey, Eduardo, can I borrow you for a second? All right, let's come right over here. I just need you to take a seat right here, just normally. All right, normal. There we go, better. Okay, so you see how Eduardo is sitting right here? This is a normal seating position for most people. And you can see that it's causing his low back to shrink under and his shoulders here in order to curve forward. But look at also the position of his neck. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to kind of stand up. I want you to put your butt against the back of the chair and slide all the way down. Yep, just like that. Now you see how much that has changed his posture? His back is exactly where it's supposed to be and his shoulders are not rounding as forward. It also supports the head. Now, when you add in a desk, Lalo, go ahead and look at that right here. Now you see how that lifted up his head as well? If you stay in this position, it is going to help so much, which is why at the end of the day, you're so tired into that mid back and you're trying to readjust yourself. Now there's plenty of postural exercises and stretches and things that we can do as well as show you, but if you can't just exercise this problem out because we've lost that range of motion, those disc spaces are starting to get thinner. And what the cause of that is that achiness that you're experiencing all the time. So this is really most of the time what we see patients having problems with. And these are the first things that we look at is helping with the discomfort and getting that range of motion back, but it's fixing the daily habits that we have that we're doing every single day that are causing these issues. Now, if this is something that you're like, man, yeah, that's me, that's what's going on, give us a call at CORE Chiropractic. We'd love to help you out.